Skill for Employment 1, Unit 5, Topic 5, Charts, Tables and Transcoding. Now let us see the explanation for each of charts, tables and transcoding. First, introduction. Transfer of the information from verbal to visual and visual to verbal is an important study skill. Transcoding is one of the significant features of professional writing. Any report is made interesting with a couple of illustrations. Visual representation is an added advantage to any presentation. There are two categories of visuals, namely tables and figures. Figures may be further classified into graphs, maps, drawing charts, diagrams, and photographs. We shall now learn about the flow charts and bar charts. Engineers and draughtsmen are often required to prepare charts and diagrams. The bar chart or graph makes it particularly easy to compare data. Bar graph is used to indicate for the different periods or quantity of different items during the same period. The length of each hash bar varies in proportion to the quantity or value they represent, but the bars have same width. Flow charts deal with the different steps involved in making or manufacturing some material or the process of a person's growth or transfer of some information. Second one, tables. Tables makes information more easier to analyze. Tables are more important for create graphs. Table organizes data for better analysis. Tables place related values in column and rows. There might be times tables accompany graphs. A table is an arrangement of data in rows and columns, or possibly in a more complex structure. Tables are widely used in communication, research, and data analysis. Tables appear in print media, handwritten notes, computer, software, architectural ornamentation, traffic signs, and many other places. Tables are used to organize data that is too detailed or complicated to be described adequately in the text, allowing the reader to quickly see the results. They can be used to highlight trends or patterns in the data and to make a manuscript more readable by removing numeric data from the text. Table and its characteristics. A table is perceived as a two-dimensional structure composed of rows and columns. Each table row or tuple represents a single entity occurrence with the entity set. Each table column represents an attitude or attribute, and each column has a distinct name. Third one, transcoding. Transcoding is the process of converting an audio or video file from one encoding format to another in order to increase the number of compatible target devices a media file can be played on. The reason that transcoding is necessary to begin with is that video files are very large. In other words, video files consume a lot of bandwidth and device memory during transmission over the internet. To address the large file sizes of video, broadcasters use a technology called codecs to compress them. Transcoding is critical when you want your content to reach more end users. For example, let's say you want to do a live broadcast using a camera and encoder. You might be compressing your content with the RTMP encoder and select the H.264 video codec at 1080p. My dear students, this is one of the smallest topic that we have in Unit 5 Skill for Employment 1, Charts, Tables and Transcoding. Hope you understood. Thank you.